Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. قل أغير الله أبغي ربا وهو رب كل شيء ولا تكسب كل نفس إلا عليها ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى ثم إلى ربكم مرجعكم فينبئكم بما كنتم فيه تختلفون. Translation. Say, should I seek for myself a Rabb other than Allah, while He is the Rabb of all things, and every soul earns not except against its own account, and nor any bearer of burden will bear the burden of another. Then unto your Rabb is your return, and then He will inform you of that about what you differed and disputed. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the true Rabb, is the true God, and is the one who is the owner of everything. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to ask people that should I seek for myself any other Rabb other than Allah, while Allah is the Rabb of everything. So this is very illogical and against the nature of human heart that they should go for any other Rabb, any other God other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because the ma'arfa, the knowing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is present in every heart, and every heart know that my creator, my Rabb, my God is the one and the only and the highest of the high. So if somebody is doing a sin or doing polytheism and saying other people that you do the same polytheism and shirk, and I will take the burden of your sin if you are asked about it in the hereafter, that person is a liar. And this is mentioned in Surah Al-Ankabut, Ruku number 1, Ayah number 12, that the kuffar, the polytheists used to fight with Muslims about Tawheed and Islam, and used to say that you leave Islam and come to our deen, and if there is any sin, we will bear the burden of that sin and we will get the punishment of that sin in hereafter. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this law that nobody can bear the burden of anyone else. Everyone has to carry their own burden in the hereafter. And then all of the humanity has to return in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be the judge, and He will tell everything to everyone about what they differed and what they disputed about. So if somebody is fighting or disputing here in this world, they should be given this ayah that you have to go in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the hereafter, and then He will decide everything for you. This world is not the place for the final judgment. This world is the place for an exam and to see who performs what. And in the next ayah we will study about that. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, and save us from the hellfire. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum.